follow, and today I am in conversation with this gorgeous calendar girl, Akanksha
Hi.
Puri, who is raised the bar of hotness in her latest video. I must say,
Thank
मतलब
you.
calendar girl से एक level ऊपर ही हो गया है वो.
Like hotness or?
I think आपकी अदाएं, hotness in everything.
Okay, I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you.
So tell us, how did you come across this single of T-Series?
Actually, I got this offer from Mr. Bhushan Kumar, and then I had my meeting with Ahmed Khan. That's when I was selected for this video, and we shot in Turkey, and you can see Jahan Tum Ho.
Exactly, Jahan Tum was shot in such a beautiful location, Turkey. Tell us, how was your experience of shooting in Turkey?
I'm glad that when we were shooting there, it was very safe, because after that I've been hearing a lot of things about Istanbul and things happening. So we shot in Izmir, which was a beautiful location, and then we had a mansion, a big mansion, which was shown like as my house. So it was a nice experience, and shooting with Ahmed Khan is like a dream come true. So it was
Can you
amazing.
explain us the concept of the song for me, people who've not watched yet?
See, yes, I want you to know, see, it's a tattoo artist who's making a tattoo, so there's nothing erotic about the song, and it's me who is like with all the sensuous poses and all, and I'm sure you can see that, but it's something that I see this guy who is, and I see his lovely tattoos, and I get attracted towards his tattoos, and that's when I call him that come home and make a tattoo for me. So the song is all about that tattoo making, and that's it, and you have to see the song for that.
So Akanksha is only interested in acting, or you sing also a little bit?
No, I'm not a good
But you
singer.
have such a beautiful voice.
Yeah, I would love to sing if get a chance, but singing has always been like I'm more of a dancer. Like I've loved dancing and singing, of course. Whenever I get a chance, I do
So
that.
who are your favorite singers?
There are lot of singers that, but my favorite is Mika Singh, and I love his voice, and that's the kind of genre that I like. So Mika, Badshah,
Right.
those are my favorite singers.
Party.
Yes.
Full on party singers. Alright, so tell me, T-Series have come with a lot of singles last year.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
See, I love the Mahi Ve song, which was as a promotional number for the Wajah Tum Ho movie, and I even like. Actually, I think there's something I like about Zareen Khan. So I like his like her song that Pyar Manga Hai. That
with
song.
Ali Zafar.
Yes. So that's one of my favorite singles. It is.
Alright.
Yes.
So tell us, after Calendar Girl, how has life changed?
Life has changed a lot because see, Calendar Girl gave me a platform.
Right.
There was a lot of recognition that I got because I did movies in South, 4 movies, but there's a difference when you work in Bollywood. People start recognizing you. So I have been just working after that, and this year you'll be seeing more of me because after the response of Jahan Tum Ho, I'm doing few songs, and then I've signed another movie as well. So I'll tell you when the right time comes.
Alright,
Yes.
good. We hope to see you more in 2017.
Thank you.
But talking about recognition, we've also come to know from our closest that you got a call from Rakesh Roshan, and you've been complimented by him for.
Yes,
This
I got a compliment from him. I met him in one of the events, and I was glad that he saw my song, and then he called me, and rest will let you know.
But what did he exactly tell you about?
He told me that he loved my confidence on the camera. When he saw the song, he said, I have never seen anyone like a Bollywood actor performing this way in a number, because he said that there's too much of sensuality, plus it's very classy.
Exactly.
Nowhere it looks cheap. And coming from somebody as big as Rakesh Roshan, I loved that compliment.
So are you excited for coming?
I am super excited. I'm looking forward for it, and let's see when it comes.
What is Akanksha doing these days? What is
I
she doing?
am busy training myself for 2 new dance forms. I started with contemporary. I've been doing Bollywood jazz. So these days it's more of dancing for me. I want to connect my body and mind, and I'm preparing myself a few songs right now.
Right, shifting this interview to a very important and I think which is relevant to today actually, you being an actress, you've been traveling a lot of places.
Yes.
You're an independent girl, you stay alone and
Yeah.
stuff like that in a city like Mumbai.
Yeah.
But things which happen as if the Bangalore molestation case, does it bother you?
See, it does. It's very sad when I keep hearing such news, when we see all these things in social sites. It's very sad that, it's 2017 we are talking about, and then we still see, and that too on a New Year Eves and something like that, which is, I really find it so cheap that someone can go to that extent. And I really hate people who do that. And really feel that it's high time now we grow up. It's like, and people should be taught these things, and girls should teach them a big lesson. I feel like if I get somebody like that, I'm not gonna leave him for sure.
But what do you think? How can we prevent such things? Because it's 2017 and
Yes.
things like this happen.
I think the way, like the minute you feel there's something like that, give it back to them. Because I have got this thing from a lot of my friends and people that, Akansha, at times you're very rude. But I feel that's the thing that you need to do. Being an independent girl, when you stay alone, like the minute you feel there's something like that, you sense, and girls have this sixth sense, I feel like, gifted by God. So whenever you have something, there's no harm being rude, there's no harm to cross that line, and just give it back to them. But I think that's the maximum that girls can do. But
Exactly.
at the end, boys have to learn their lesson, and I think there's something going wrong with the upbringing, I feel.
Exactly,
Yes.
that's true. So Akanksha, you just said that you're good in dancing.
Yes.
And you've done such great moves in the song as well.
Yes.
So could you show us some moves?
Oh my God, sitting there, you want
Make you sing or dance? You
See, I think we can sing. That's a better idea than dancing.
sing?
here
Okay,
alone.
alright. So,
And now she's joining me for
alright,
singing my
start.
song.
Yes.
So, जहाँ तुम हो वही मैं हूँ, तेरे ना होने से लगता है मैं क्यों हूँ, तू ही मेरा कल है, तू ही मेरा आज, तू ही मेरा कल है, तू ही मेरा आज. I thought you were joining me.
You were singing so well, I didn't want you to ruin it.
Thank you so much.
So guys, that was this gorgeous Akanksha Puri. We hope to see her more in 2017. Thank you so much for the
Thank you.